I want to support the petitioner. This is a very important petition, and I think I would want that when the committee looks into it, they move with the speed, and they should liaise with the Committee on Legal and Justice so that we can have an amendment to the Estate Duty Act, Section 7.3, because, Honorable Speaker, I think it is immoral when, by virtue of office, of being the president, then you've been benefiting from the people's contribution, that you yourself is exempted from paying tax. I think it's a very serious omission by virtue of being in the office, that you let the rest of Kenyans pay for your taxes, and your estate is exempted from paying tax. Surely, Madam Speaker, I think this is something that the committee will need to move with speed, and if possible, they should be able to pay taxes retrospectively, so that those taxes that they have been exempted for those many years, they should be able to pay. And I know, since they have big estates, those estates can be sold and the taxes be recovered from that. I support.
The Honorable Member for Emuhaya, Honorable Oboko Milema.